Hey there, it's David. And in the last video, I said that I want to introduce some of the activities from this monster book of language teaching activities presented by American English. And because there's 150 of them, that would be a lot of videos. So I think I'll start by just doing one from each of the categories. So I'll just do the first one from each category. And today we'll start with lead-ins. If you go to the table of contents and just find one of the activities, again, you can see the level that's appropriate, type of skills that they'll need, type of practice that they'll do, and you can just click on the activity name and it'll take you here. So this is the first activity in lead-ins, and you can scroll up to see what a lead-in, but they're also known as warm-up activities or icebreakers, things to get students in the learning mindset and maybe getting them thinking about what the topic is going to be about or gain background information. So this activity is called corner name tents, and maybe you've used or seen name tents used where they just fold a paper in half or in thirds and write their name so that they know everybody's names and that the teacher knows their name. But this is a variation of that, the main thing being that in addition to having students write their name on the piece of paper that will go on their table or desk, you're also going to have them write additional details on the name tent, one item in each corner. And the goal of this activity is for participants to get to know each other, practice asking and answering questions, and warm up for the session ahead. So when can you use this? When you need to build rapport, to help participants get familiar with each other, learn names, and informally assess their level. Available, useful to all levels, uses mainly speaking and listening with some reading and writing, and practice grammar and vocabulary. You'll need paper for tents, markers, and tape to tape the tents together. 5 to 10 minutes prep, 15 to 30 minutes because it includes a speaking portion. So the procedures: distribute the paper and markers, explain that they'll be making tents and need to wait for the instructions. Then you're going to want to model each of the steps, show them how to do it and do it for them, allow them to do it, and then have them take turns asking and answering questions to the people next to them based on the information on their tents, and you'll want to give them 5 to 7 minutes to do this. So basically it's a getting to know you activity using name tents that includes specific information. And because all of these activities are template activities, it's up to the goal of you, the teacher, or whatever the specific class is going to be about, what information you would want them to provide. And I did a Google search for corner name tents, and here's an example. Just fold it in half. Name, where you're born, favorite subject, a place you want to visit, where you'd want to go to college. And then on the back, put your name in the middle, and then draw pictures or symbols of things that represent you. Another example here, put your name in the middle, favorite color in the left corner, your birth date on the right corner, and then 3 adjectives to describe you. So that is corner name tents in a nutshell, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know your thoughts about this activity. Have you done it before, or have you done anything similar? See you in the next video.